Hi guys, it's already 2026, and if you're looking to build passive income with Amazon KDP, you should seriously consider low-content books using BookBolt. Why BookBolt? Because it saves you a ton of time and helps you create way more books way faster. Here are my favorite features when using BookBolt. Keyword research, product research, BookBolt Studio for low-content books and AI story generation. All in one workflow. Tons of templates that support beginners end to end. Idea, creation, publishing. Okay, and this is important. BookBolt already comes with full tutorials and live calls, so even if you're a total beginner, you don't need to worry. In one video, I can't go step by step through every single feature, so today I'll focus on the tools I personally love and what you really need to know. Keyword search. So let's start with keyword search. All you need to do is type in the type of book you want to create. Think logbooks, notebooks, puzzle books, word search, crossword, yeah, all of that. Just type it in here. You can also use the book keyword ideas right here. Let's try logbook first. Boom, 500 results show up. In the keyword column, you'll see what people are actually searching for on Amazon. In the search volume column, you'll see how many searches each keyword gets per month. From here, you already have a ton of ideas to choose from. I usually look for keywords related to sailboat that have over 1,000 searches per month. Enough demand, but still low competition. Then I click More Details. You'll see the competition score. A equals very good, F equals very not good. For example, sailboat logbooks have a competition score A, which is great. The estimated monthly sales volume shows only 1, but don't worry, we'll double-check that later in product research. This is what I love. BookBolt already does all the niche research behind the scenes for us. Honestly, just by looking at the competition score, you can already tell if a niche is good or not. Now, quickly scan through the ideas. I prioritize score A. If you like an idea, just click the heart icon to save it. Any keyword you like, click the heart. Save it for the next step. All your saved ideas will appear in favorites. Product research. Now let's move on to product research. Since we're talking about logbooks, I select logbook under categories. For the keyword, I type sailboat. Hit enter. Now we're looking at the estimated moving average sales over the last 30 days. Check this out. In this niche, the average bestseller has 169 moving sales. Earlier, the competition score we saved was 1. That's exactly why I always prioritize competition score A first. The average bestseller number? We can always verify it later. So as you can see, with just a few simple searches, you can already identify a good niche, good keywords, and solid book ideas. That's why these are my favorite features in BookBolt. Finding evergreen ideas. Within 1 to 3 months, you can also find evergreen niches for inspiration. For example, let's check the last 3 months and see which coloring books reached up to 1 million average bestseller sales. Hit enter. Immediately, we see titles like Stress Relief Coloring Book for Adults and Kids, Bold and Easy. You can check everything right inside BookBolt. BSR, average BSR, description, and more. Let's try puzzle books. Oh, the first one is Big 9,000 Words Word Search. Next one, 2026, 100 Puzzles Crossword. Instead of manually searching on Amazon KDP, you just click a few times and instantly find top-selling books. Then create similar books yourself. BookBolt Studio, fast book creation. And thank you so much for watching up to this point, because this is the best part. Let me show you how to create books fast using BookBolt. Once you have your niche and keywords, go into BookBolt Studio. Create a project name, fill in the required information based on the book type, and click Create Project. You can choose the number of pages right from the beginning. Huge bonus. Not every AI or book generator lets you do that. To create a book in BookBolt, you need a book cover and inside pages. One thing I love is that BookBolt lets you design front and back covers using Amazon KDP's correct dimensions. You can generate cover images inside BookBolt, upload your own, or use images from Pixabay or Unsplash. Just remember, avoid the barcode area. Keep important elements inside the blue safe zone. BookBolt also includes elements, textures, grid lines. You can freely add text or use AI tools to generate images. Just enter your prompt, choose aspect ratio and image style, then generate. Inside pages and templates. Once the cover is done, let's move to the inside pages. Click the puzzle icon. That's where the page templates are. These templates are pre-made, and you can use them as is or customize them. Here's the key thing. BookBolt gives you full usage rights for these templates, so no copyright worries. There are tons of templates. For example, choose Fishing Logbook. Select all pages. Unselect the cover. Click Continue to Options and Submit. If you're making puzzle books, choose Word Puzzle. Pick 5 pages per template you like, or use one template for the entire book. In my case, I'll pick 5 pages per favorite template. If you want to edit text or details, just right-click, Edit Content. See? Super easy, right? AI Story Generator. Now let's move to the exciting part, the AI Story Generator. I'll keep the default settings for now, just adjust based on your book type. I'll set 24 pages so it's easier to follow. Layout stays default. Age range, 5 to 7. Story template, fairy tale. Character trait, curious. Enter the prompt and click Continue. Character, type, human child. Name, Jolena. Style, watercolor. Add a few more prompt lines, then click Generate Character.
Not happy? Just regenerate. Once you love the character, click Generate Content. You can edit the text or prompts anytime if it's not wow enough. If everything looks good, click Continue to Pages. Now let's quickly review the images and content. Honestly, looks great. If I had a kid aged 5 to 7, I'd totally buy this book. Final steps. Now generate the book cover. Like I mentioned earlier, choose Precise. Enter your prompt. Click Generate Image. Quick tip. If you want to save credits, you can generate images for free using Google Nano Banana Pro, then upload the one you like here. Drag and drop the image to fit the front and back covers. And once everything is done, just download. Wrap up. That's it. With BookBolt, you save a massive amount of time and can upload many more books to Amazon KDP. Right now, BookBolt is offering a 20% off discount code for life. I've put the link in the pinned comment and video description. Don't miss this chance to boost your passive income in 2026. And finally, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which ideas you want me to cover next on LexroAI. See you in the next video!